Hot take, you really shouldn't have to spend a lot of money to make delicious food, and this recipe is proof. This is my big Texas-style eggs in Purgatory, and you simply have to try it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make, but the full recipe can be found at chefmichael.com or the link in my bio. Okay, start by browning off some breakfast sausage. I cut it up, but not like ground beef. Leave it in larger pieces. It gives a great texture to the dish. As soon as it's brown, you set the sausage aside. Now, right into the pan, we're going to go in with some onion, bell pepper, and jalapeños. Saute that up. It picks up the sausage flavor. It smells amazing, and as soon as you get those brown edges, you know it's done. Add the sausage back in, and it's flavor time. We're doing a bunch of garlic and a literal ton of spices. And a jar of no sugar marinara. So when you put it all together, it gets bubbly and delicious. It's so flavorful. Now you're going to use an egg to create 4 eggs. It just makes sense. Add the 4 eggs to it, a little cracked black pepper, right into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or just until the eggs are jiggly and set. Set them aside. That could be enough, but I'm going to top it with Mexican crema. Here's a hack. Stab it with a chopstick, and you can drizzle it on top. A little bit of queso fresco and cilantro, avocado, anything else you want on top. It's absolutely dreamy. Trust me, you're just going to have to try this one. Okay, bye.